What's up, Snapperheads? Dodge the ball coming at you again. It's Friday, thank God. And I'm treating myself today because I accomplished one of my goals, which was I finally ordered the last two pieces for my AR-15 build, which was my bolt carrier group, which I got from Bravo Company, and a double star charging handle. Anyway, so I thought I'd treat myself with a little trip to my local cigar shop. For all you cigar heads out there, you might appreciate this. I got me a Drew Estate Java wafer. I didn't even know they made these things. Pretty thin, huh? Pretty cool. So this is this one's chocolate infused. I'm trying to get that out of the light there. Yeah, this was about $5. And then I got, this is the one I really was looking for. Let me see if I can get it to. This is Tabac Especial. This is a Corona. This is the coffee infused. This one ran about $6. So $11 for the pair. Not a bad deal, I would say. So I think that I'm gonna start with this guy. Probably brew me up some nice fresh pot of coffee. Go outside and take a couple of puffs, and I'll let you guys know what that's like. Alrighty, holla. Alright, Snapperhead, so we back outside. Got my little Java State. Drew Estate Java chocolate infused. Got my little cup of espresso here. Cheers. And I'm gonna fire this bad boy up. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my little end cut. Sorry, I'm still having an issue with this camera, and like usual, still using my little Gerber, still going strong, still haven't had to sharpen it. A little dry toke there, that's pretty good. I hope I don't offend anybody by using regular matches. But you know, it's all we got right now. Do the edges first. That's what I was told. Ooh, damn, that's good. That's damn good. Here's to you guys. Have a good Friday. Holla.